Hi everyone. Odoo Business Management Software has two versions, Odoo Community Edition and Odoo Enterprise Edition. The Odoo Community Edition is open source and it is freely available. It has very limited features comparing to the Odoo Enterprise Edition. We can see the difference between the Odoo Community and Odoo Enterprise from here. We can see the Odoo Community Edition has very limited features comparing to the Odoo Enterprise, and we will be having a dedicated video of the comparison between Odoo Enterprise and Community Editions, and I will add the link of that video in the description box. And in this video I'll be discussing about the pricing of Odoo Enterprise Edition. The pricing of Odoo Enterprise Edition is based on the apps you use and the number of users. The users doesn't include the portal users. You can have any number of portal users. Here you can see the different pricing of different apps and the pricing of the users. The price for users is $10 per month and $8 per month if you are paying annually, and if you are a new user you will get a discount of $2, that is $8 if you pay monthly and $6 if you are paying annually. And in the case of apps, you can see it will be having different prices for different apps, and also if you are paying annually you will be having a discount, and if you are paying month you won't get that discount. And you can choose the hosting type. Here we have three hosting types: cloud hosting, on-premise, and odoo.sh. Cloud hosting is free and that is the Odoo Online, and on-premise you don't have a monthly plan on-premise, and in Odoo Online you will be having so many limitations, and we also have a dedicated video on the limitations of Odoo Online. And you also have another option as Odoo S.A.The Odoo. You have to pay extra for Odoo S.A.The, and the pricing for Odoo S.A.The is on the website of odoo.sh. You can see the pricing of odoo.sh from here. You can choose the hosting types and workers, and you can see the price of odoo.sh from here, annually or monthly. Let's go back to the pricing. And one thing you need to remember is some of the modules depends on other modules, so you need to pay for all the three. If you want e-commerce, you also need invoicing as well as website, so you need to pay for all the three modules. And if you are only using a single module, you will get it for free as long as you want, and you can also try 15 days free trial. And that's all about this pricing of Odoo Enterprise Edition. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.